Hey there, busy moms and dads. You know what? Balancing work, household chores, and kids' activities can feel like an impossible task. But today, we're going to share some life-changing hacks that will help you save time, manage chores more efficiently, and even carve out some personal time for yourself. Let's jump right in with tip number 1. First up, meal planning. It's a total game changer. Take an hour or two on the weekend to plan out your family's meals for the entire week. You can even prep meals in advance, chopping vegetables, pre-cooking ingredients, or making full meals to freeze. Trust me, it saves so much time on those busy weeknights when you're scrambling to get dinner on the table. Plus, it helps reduce last-minute grocery trips and that dreaded, "What should we have for dinner?" conversation. Next, create a family chore chart. Kids, even as young as 3 or 4, can help out with age-appropriate tasks like putting away toys or helping set the table. You don't have to do everything yourself. Assign specific chores to each family member and rotate them weekly. Make it fun by using a reward system, a star for every chore done, leading to a small treat or family activity by the weekend. Another great tip is time blocking, especially for kids' activities. This means setting aside specific chunks of time for each activity, whether it's homework, playtime, or extracurriculars. It helps kids get into a routine, and you know exactly when things are happening. Plus, with everything scheduled, you can squeeze in a quick task or even take a break when you know they're busy with something. Here's a hack I love: the 2-minute rule. If something will take less than 2 minutes to do it right away. Whether it's answering an email, folding that pile of laundry, or picking up scattered toys, tackle these small tasks in the moment. You'll be amazed at how much less clutter and stress builds up. And finally, don't forget to schedule time for yourself. I know it sounds impossible, but even 15-20 minutes of me time can make a huge difference. Whether it's enjoying a cup of coffee, taking a quick walk, or just sitting down to relax, prioritize it. Your mental health is just as important as everything else on your to-do list. And that's it, busy parents. With a little planning, teamwork, and smart time management, you'll find yourself saving time and feeling more in control of your busy days. Remember, it's not about doing it all. It's about doing what works for you and your family. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with other busy parents, and subscribe for more time-saving hacks. Let us know in the comments, what's your favorite parenting hack? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.